Hey John, how you doing? It's Greg. I have a Sheaffer PFM 5 similar to the one that you purchased. I'm going to show you how to fill. So this is the closed position. Here is the blind cap, and you just twist it until the snorkel tube extends. So you can see that it extended. And once that's extended, you want to pull the rod out. So this is in the open position, and you're basically going to, I like to do it with one hand here, and you will insert the snorkel tube into the ink or water to test it, and you push down. Count about 4 or 5 seconds, and it should fill up. And now that it's done, I'm going to show you that water was in there and it expels. So basically push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to twist the knob and push down to retract the snorkel tube, and now you'd be ready to write. So I'm just going to expel the water again to show you. So I'm just twisting the knob, pulling back. So that's really all it is pushing. It's not, you don't want to pull it because that doesn't fill. You want to be able to push it down, and that's how it fills. So this is always the easier way for me to do it. Just go like this. Snorkel tube. I mean, the nib can be in there a little bit, not a problem. So, you know, it's just a fun, unique way back in the late 50s, early 60s, and trying to innovate with fountain pens. These were not popular sellers. You know, the ballpoint pen back in the day was in the 60s was coming of age, and everybody wanted that. They didn't want to use these, but today these are highly sought after pens. But if you have any questions with the filling system at all, you know, just give me a holler. It's just that one stroke down, and that's really all you got. If you try to do multiple strokes, you're just going to push the ink back into the reservoir, or in this case the water. So it's just one push down for it to suck up the water, and then you're ready to write. All right, John, thanks a lot. Appreciate it, sir. Have a great day.